Come test drive the 2007 Ram Pickup 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, rear wheel drive, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, auto express down window, reclining seats, beverage holders, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.